Okay, y'all, we got Brussels sprouts, bacon, potatoes, that lamb that I browned. I'm going to finish it off in the oven, along with the potatoes, onions, and Brussels sprouts, and bacon. And I just seasoned everything up. And just put foil in my pan because I didn't want it to be all messy. So I browned that lamb good too. Y'all see that? Let me cut the flash on. Y'all see how brown that lamb is? I did that one. So it's about to go into the oven. Gonna finish off that lamb. These potatoes, onions, bacon, and Brussels sprouts. I had 6 pieces of lamb. I can't find my other lamb. It's in the freezer. But if this is good, I can repeat it because I got all the ingredients. Fresh out the oven. It looks good, don't it? I'm gonna see what it tastes like. That lamb all browned up. My vegetables. Let's see what it look like, what it tastes like. Not the best plating, but it's in there.